Learn how to make creative photos and videos with AI. Stay with me until the end of this video to teach you how to make these beautiful photos and videos. First of all, subscribe to our channel and thank you for liking our post. Open canva.com. At the top of the right screen, click the Create Design button. Depending on your content type, choose one of these. Click Apps from the menu on the left. Click on your apps. Click on Magic Media. In this box, explain what picture you want AI to make for you. Click on this style. Select the landscape option and click Create Your Image. Wait for AI to make the photos. The result is incredibly beautiful. We create new pages and place the desired photos in it. To make video with AI, click on Videos. In this box write what video you need or click the Try an Example button. Create a new page, and click on the Generate Video button. Wait for AI to prepare the video. We can create a new page and click the Generate Again button to make another video. The result is great. Subscribe to our page for more tutorials and we appreciate you liking our video.